Let's have a little chat about one of the biggest myths we all tell ourselves. I don't have time. Nope, you're either wasting time or prioritizing the wrong things, or both. Everybody gets the same time of day, and sure, it's possible you have the shorter end of the stick, but is that what you'll settle for? Is it that easy to take you out? If I were to observe your daily actions hour by hour and your bank statement line by line, I could tell you with confidence what you prioritize. Maybe that's a scary thought for you. What do you do every week, every day, every hour? How do you spend every single hour? Is this arrangement serving you? Does it align with your vision, mission, and values? Your goals? If not, how might you change this? How might you restructure your days, your hours to serve you and align with your vision, mission, and values and goals? You say you want one thing, but is how you spend your time and money broadcasting something else? In our last couple lessons, we learned that relying on motivation and feelings doesn't elicit real lasting change, how our tiny actions can compound over time, and that we are creatures of habit. The secret to achieving what we want, finding deeper purpose, building something that matters, and cultivating a better life for ourselves and our loved ones does not lie within hopes, dreams, motivations, feelings, or putting it out into the universe. That's bunk. Luck and happenstance are not strategies. The secret to your success lies within your actions, how you spend your time and money, walking the walk. It's identifying a desired outcome and reverse engineering it into attainable, measurable steps. Then it's showing up every single day, taking tiny steps, making progress, sacrificing what others aren't willing to sacrifice, constantly improving, doing the hard stuff, optimizing, and creating positive habits that, by second nature, push you toward the success you crave in your life, in your health, in your relationships, and in your business.